Today we are going to learn that how to create 3D in ArcGIS Pro. So first of all you have to create a new project. Then click on the option of new map. When you click on the option of new map, topographic map will appear. Now go to the project folder where your shapefile is present so that you can load that shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. When you will connect the folder, now click on the option of add data so that you can load the shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. Load the building's shapefile. Now click on the option of bookmarks so that you can save the interface. Click on the View tab. And click on the option of Convert so that your map should be converted from 2D to 3D. Furthermore, you have to copy the layer of buildings under the heading of 3D layers. Now you can assign any symbology to the building. Moving on further, you have to click on the Appearance tab. And then click on the type Absolute Height. Now at the above of Unit tab bar, you have to click on the options of height. Height is a field in your attribute table. It should be present in your attribute table. And then move on to the map option. Click on the Explore. And then side by side you have to click the option of B and C tab bars so that you can visualize your 3D. in, and here is your 3D is generated, and you can visualize your attribute table as well.